Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to subtract the fractions, the following fractions. Now in this case you are given negative 35 over 8 minus, and within brackets, negative 7/8. So before I move on, let's review that when you are multiplying two numbers, any fractions, real, any kind of numbers, when you multiply two positive numbers, you get a positive answer. Or when you multiply two negative numbers, you get a positive answer. So if they are of same sign, the final answer is positive. And if they are of opposite signs, the final answer is negative. Right? So that means if I have negative 1 times 5, 5 is positive, 1 is negative, my final answer would be negative 5. But if it was negative 5 times negative 5, they are both negative, my answer is 5. Because they are both negative, the final answer would be positive. So that's just a little review, which I'm sure you already know. So let's go back to the real question and solve it. So the first thing you want to do is get rid of this bracket, which we always do, negative 35/8. To get rid of it, you can look at it as if it's negative 1 times negative 7/8, which is same as negative 35/8. So minus 1 times negative 7/8, minus becomes plus, so negative becomes positive 7/8. From here it's pretty simple. You already have a common denominator. All you have to do is negative 35 plus 7, right? Since they are of opposite signs, you will be subtracting them, so you get 28 over 8. And what is the sign of the final answer? Because 35 is bigger than 7 and its sign is negative, that's the one that carries on. So negative 28 over 8. Now clearly both of these numbers are divisible by 4. They are both multiples of 4. So we can reduce this fraction by dividing top and bottom by 4, which comes out to be negative 7 over 2, and that's your final answer.